Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you can probably tell from the title, very excited for this video. I have not done it on my channel in a while. So I just celebrated SLMISSGLAM's 4th birthday, and I just thought my beauty room tour was actually one of the very first videos I've ever put up on my channel, so I thought I would do it again. And this one, of course, being Christmas style, since Christmas is my favorite time of the year. And I just got to decorating, as you guys can see. I've got my tree in the back, and I will show you guys everything that I have that's Christmassy in this video today. So it's a full beauty room tour. The only thing I don't show you guys is my drawers. You have a lot of new goodies and decor that I've put in my beauty room, and it's just such an exciting time. It's Mia and Sophia's first Christmas, so I just thought I would put up a ton of just Christmas content and videos for you guys since it's my favorite time. So if you guys love Christmas as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, and without further ado, I'm gonna get started with this video. Okay, so I'm gonna start right outside my beauty room door, and I have this wreath that I got from HomeSense, and I absolutely fell in love with the look of this. I love white, and I just thought it was so pretty, so I got it from last year, and I'm using it this year again. So right when you walk into my beauty room, the first thing that you see right now is my Christmas tree, and I just finished this last week. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I just celebrated my 4 years with SLMISSGLAM Beauty, so that was really exciting, and that's why I wanted to have my tree up a little bit early, because I actually had a photo shoot for it. So I have lots of cool pictures coming up for the holidays and to celebrate my 4 years with my brand. So yeah, and right below it I have all of my SLMISSGLAM bags, and then also some products that I had. So I actually had a photo shoot with Erin, which is the same lady that did my photos for our family shoot. So I'm really excited to see them, but I have like my shipping boxes down here, so you guys have seen these before. Those are what we ship your products out in. I've got my Pink Princess book right here, and then also just all of the SLMISSGLAM bags. And also I have Mia and Sophia's little unicorn paintings. These were done by my two friends, Vanny and Susie, and they got it for the girls. It's so pretty. I love them so much. So I'm gonna get Ryan to hang these later, but I just wanted to show you guys. So right back here, that's actually my closet, and I have this cute little stocking. I got this at Indigo last year, so I just thought it was adorable, and I put it on the doorknob. And then I thought this was really cute. It says a mermaid sleeps here, and then I have this on my door, and then the girls have one on their bedroom door, so the nursery, and I got these at HomeSense as well. I honestly can't remember the last time I did a beauty room tour. It's been a while, so I thought it was a perfect time, and this one is Christmas edition, which is my favorite time of the year. So I'm gonna start off over on this section here. So you guys know, if you've been following me, this is the Impressions Vanity. I bought it when we moved here, so I've had it for a few years now. And I love it. I love how big it is. I can fit a ton of makeup on top for decor, and I usually put candles, makeup brush holders, a lot of the palettes that I've been using, and you guys can definitely see a lot of my new makeup brushes because I do have a lot of them on my vanity right now. So my Glitter and Glam collection's actually launching this Friday. I'm so excited, so make sure you guys go to my shop to check it out. But I do have so many of my new styled brushes on here, cotton candy styles, the Petite designer collection as well, which if you guys like coffee lattes or like unicorn mermaids, it's definitely a collection that represents that. So it's the brushes that have the artwork on them. So I have those over here. And then on this side over here, I have my Nutcracker. This is my favorite. I got that at Pier 1. And then right here, I actually got this globe. This is from HomeSense, and it's just a really cute pastel globe. And I thought it'd be perfect for my beauty room, and it matches all the colors of my brushes, and I think it's so cute. And then right in my beauty tray, I just have this new palette that I got from Museum of Ice Cream, and it's this 4 collection, and I just thought it was really cute. It's a popsicle. I don't even know how they can come out with a palette so cute. It's just adorable. And I have my makeup bag right here. And then I also have another palette by them, which is so cute. It's like a waffle. And then right back here, I just have my lip balm, some Too Faced, and just some cute decor that I like using. And also, these are new brushes. They haven't launched yet. And I just have them in my unicorn coffee mug. And then on this side right here, I actually have my little mermaid tray, and I got this from my good friend Nomo. And then this mug right here is actually from Indigo, which I put the gold brushes in. I thought it was perfect. And right here we have the Twisted Peppermint. I love the look of this candle. I'm not gonna burn it. I just love the fact it's light pink on the inside, and it's just really pretty packaging as well. And right here we have my new glitter sets, which I'm so excited about, so I just keep them all together. And I just made myself a nice little eggnog latte, so I've just got that iced. And then right behind that, I actually have this really cute globe that I got from HomeSense, I believe. A lot of this stuff I have is from HomeSense, so that's what it looks like right there. And it's super festive. I love the fact it had pink going around it. And then right here, this is probably the last Christmassy thing I have on my beauty vanity. So just right back here, I've got the deer, and I think I got that from HomeSense too. And then you guys have probably seen my beauty room chair, and hanging off of it, these are the reading socks that I got from Indigo. I always get questions on where I've got these, so these are from Indigo. And I wore these for our family shoot, and they have like little balls on them. They're so festive though, and I really love them. And even if I'm like just in my PJs, they're really nice to wear if I'm cold. And then I have my I'm sleeping pillow that was supposed to go in the nursery, but I just keep it in here. I think it's really cute, and they have so many pillows already in their nursery, so I thought it'd be very cute to have that in here. And then the chair I had custom made from Tupperman's. Max is just wanting to say hi, you guys. And then I have my big carpet right here. This I got from HomeSense as well. It's massive. Honestly, I wish they had a bigger one because I could cover up more of my floor, but I have that one. So I just bought this from Boo Claire the other day, and I just thought it was so pretty. The shade of pink. I know it's hard to see on here, but it's so soft, and I love the shade of pink. The one I have over there is a lot lighter, so this one's kind of like a dustier pink, but it's very soft, very pretty, and I needed something right by my bench. And then of course right here, so this pink rug I've had for a while, and I thought it'd be really nice in front of my mirror. So this is my new mirror. I get so many questions about where I've got this from, and I got it from Wayfair, and I'll leave a link down below. And it's just a gorgeous mirror. It's totally something I've dreamt about having in my beauty room, and I love the Victorian design on it. And I just think it's such a standout piece. In fact, you can kind of see my chandelier from there too. So I've been taking a lot of photos right here. I'm sure you've recognized it just on my Instagram. I had Ryan put it up for me though, and I think the spot just fit perfectly. And then I don't want to forget my S. My unicorn S is from Glitter Madness, which is Susie. She gifted this to me, and it's just so adorable. And I'll try to link the store because I'm not really sure where she got it made, but it's stunning. If you guys can look at the close-up details. It's so beautiful, and it's just such a nice, thoughtful gift, and I definitely want to get ones made for me and Sophia. So Max is chasing his tail right now, you guys. I'm sure if you watch my vlog, you've seen him do this lots. This is his thing. And then right here, this is just my bench. It's pink, it's velvet, it's a really nice size, and I knew I wanted one for my beauty room just if I'm putting on shoes, and then I could also use it because there's stuff inside it as well. I'm not going to show you what's inside. It's just kind of a mess right now, but you can put stuff inside, which is very nice for storage. So I got that at HomeSense. And then right here, I have my new little backpack. So this I got from Indigo, and I just thought it was very cute for winter time, and I love the color. It's that dusty rose pink again. And then right here, I just have a blanket and a scarf and a stocking. So this one is my stocking, and this is actually from Indigo. I got this last year from Indigo, but I was just there the other day. They actually have these in stock right now if you guys are interested. I have some special pink boxes over there, which are some new things I'm working on, so I don't want to show you too much. But then right here, I also have a massive bag of Sephora goodies that I want to get up for you guys. It's a big haul that I've had for months now, so now I've accumulated like a lot of stuff also from like my birthday haul, so I'll get that up soon for you guys. But right here we have my little clothing rack. I got this from Amazon, I believe, and it was really cheap. I think it was $20. I did a full video on it actually, clothing rack video, so if you guys want to check that out. But right here we have my LV scarf, which is my favorite. I hardly ever wear it, to be honest, but I just think it's so beautiful, and it's so nice for winter time, and it's very warm. And then right behind it I have like my bliss tools, my tutus, which I actually rocked one of these the other day, you guys, for my 4-year. I have not worn a tutu in what feels like years. Maybe it has been years, actually. It's been a long time. So that was nice that I could rock that again, throw some lashes on, and that was just so much fun. It was really nice just to get glam again and just do that shoot. I just had so much fun. And then right here we just have a lot of the girls' clothes. So they've got like their tutus, which you guys, if you follow me and Sophia, they have their own page on Instagram, and you've probably seen them wear some of these outfits. They haven't worn these sweaters yet actually, but I'm really excited to get those in them. And then right here we have some dresses. I'm gonna save this actually for my brother's wedding, which is next year, so these will go perfectly for that, and they're just so cute. And then right here they've got like little unicorn tutu outfits. the pink ones. They're all by the brand Olivia and Rose, so I follow her on Instagram. They have the most gorgeous outfits, so definitely check them out. Look how pretty these are, the details. Sorry, that's Max barking in the background. It's never quiet in our home, that's for sure. And then this outfit here was from Mama Lou, so she actually got this for the girls, so cute. So a subscriber actually sent these to me, and they're so pretty, I love them. And we have more unicorn outfits, more tutus, birthday outfits for when they turn 1. Look how cute these are. And right over here, so I'm not gonna go in all of my drawers. If you guys wanna see that, that's gonna definitely have to be another video because this video would just be too long. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see that. But right over here, I have all of my new collection books. So my Pink Princess, which is this one, and then the recent line that I launched. So this one is the Petite Designer, which is one of my favorites. So it's the first time I've ever actually put artwork onto the handles, which it honestly took so long for me to make those, you guys, over a few years actually. So I just really love how they turned out. I also did the gold plate, which was new and kind of like a signature that I've started to do in my line. And then right here, we also just have like a little unicorn globe. I've got some Too Faced makeup in here. This is not super clean or tidy. I definitely have to do that sometime later on. But I was just pulling out brushes out of here because this is usually where I like to store my brushes. So since I was taking photos and stuff like that, I don't have them all in here, but they're kind of just scattered a little bit. But I love these drawers. I think they're really nice and handy. You can put like jewelry in there or whatever you want. And obviously these drawers were custom made at IKEA. So you can do any sizes you want, smaller ones, bigger ones. You can do the half size of drawers, you can do the full size. But yeah, IKEA is the way to go for these because you just save so much money. So on this shelf here, nothing's really changed. I kept my Louis Vuitton. I have some pictures of Ryan and I from our wedding day. So right back there, I have my very first photo shoot of my brand, which I've kept a little Kate Spade watch that I have right there. Right up here, I have my Mermaid brush set, my Henry Bendel bag, and then But First Coffee. That's new. I don't think I had that in my last video. So I got that from Indigo. And then nothing's changed up there. I've got my unicorn set. I got my SLMISSGLAM bag. I've got a Too Faced PR package. Right here I have all of my brush books, which it just looked so pastel. And I really loved displaying all of them together. I think it looked really nice. And then right here, this is of course new, this one right here. So I've got my baby girls here. This is probably one of my favorite photos of them, and this was from their newborn photo shoot, so they were only about like a week old. Look how cute they are. So Sophia is just laying on little Miss Mia right there. And right here I've got my little unicorn brush holder, and then I've got my brushes. So this is from the unicorn collection, just on the inside. I've got one of my favorite photos from our wedding of Ryan and I. And then right here, this is Champagne Bisou. So if you want any bedazzled champagne bottles, you guys, I got these made for me and Sophie as well. So she has Instagram. You guys have to check her out. Like, I love what she does. They're so cute. And then right here, this is another favorite one of mine of the girls holding each other. Okay, so on this side of my shelf, it hasn't really changed too much. I think you guys have already seen like this, where I keep like my wallets, some of my LVs, my favorite ones. This is always going to be my favorite one right here. And yeah, I just store them in here. I've got like my little Kate Spade planner and some makeup. So that's what it looks like there. Some luggage tags as well. And then right here we have this little Ted Baker. This is just a little jewelry box. I've got my flowers right behind it from HomeSense. I have my YSL bag. This is probably another one of my favorites. I don't have a lot of designer bags, but the few that I've gotten have been just ones that I will always love. Like, I love this bag. And right here we just have a little Kate Spade jewelry holder. We have this big unicorn head. One of the first photos of Ryan and I that we took together, going back 5 years ago now. So crazy. Right here we have my little Paris picture frame, and I love that. Paris is always a good idea. I've got my shoes right here for my wedding, bedazzled, and I got this from Aldo. Right here we have my Gucci bag, very bedazzled. This thing is like serious business. Totally not something I would typically buy either, but it's just such a statement piece, and I think it's really pretty. So it's got jewels going around the entire bag. That's also another reason why I love this bag. And then right here we have a photo of Ryan and I that was from when he proposed. So we took a helicopter ride in Maui. And then right here, that was actually given to me from his mom, this little heart. It's so cute. And then Christmassy right here, we have a little nutcracker. And I think this is meant obviously for like putting your bag or something like that onto, but I just thought it would be really cute
just right there. As last but not least, I'm gonna talk about my tree a little bit here. So I have a white tree, and I actually fluffed cotton in between the tree just to make it look a little bit more fluffy and pretty. So that was a little trick that I did. And then most of my ornaments are from Michaels. Almost all of them are actually from Michaels. So these ones right here, the unicorns, I know some people may ask me where those are from because they're so cute. So they are from Michaels. So are the cupcake and like the poodle, the donut, they're all from Michaels. Quickly want to show you guys these. I actually just had a neighbor drop them off, so it was just perfect for showing them to you guys in this video. And they're actually unicorn ornaments, and right on the back it says Mia and the other one says Sophia, and they're so precious. And she had these made for the girls. They're so pretty, and it's just such a thoughtful idea. I think that's a really nice idea to put someone's name on an ornament, and it's just so meaningful, and it's got flowers and glitter all over it.
So that was my Christmas beauty room tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And if you guys want to see similar styled videos, maybe one in the new year, let me know in the comments down below. I love making these videos for you guys. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. If you guys have not yet subscribed to this channel and then also my vlog, head on over there because I have a lot of videos coming. The month of December, I am going to put up a ton more vlogs, so make sure you guys go subscribe on that channel as well. And I do have beauty videos coming your way on this channel. So make sure you guys subscribe, and of course I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!